Good day, everyone. I am Sir Johnny Viray, a teacher from Santol High School Division of Pampanga, and I am here to present to you my topic entitled Influence of English Language Anxiety on the Academic Performance of Grade 7 Students in English. And for my rationale, the challenges and problems on academic performance in English of students still exist in the current time. Academic performance is a simple word or basic word for all of us. However, it is a reflection of all the learnings that the students acquire in a specific period of time. And as we know, based on PISA report, out of 81 participating countries, the Philippines ranked 76 in mathematics, 77 in reading, and 79 in science. In 2022, the Philippines also participated in the Creative Thinking Assessment, where 6% of students were identified as top performers, while 83% of boys and 73% of girls did not reach the baseline proficiency level. And this report is very alarming for the Department of Education. With this, I decided to focus on what we call the English language anxiety because as we know, most of the subjects in the curriculum are being taught using the English language. Right? So teachers are using the English language, this English, math, science, MAPE, and TLE. So English language anxiety is a distinct apprehension when using English causing nervousness, fear, and avoidance, impacting communication, confidence, and achievement, often stemming from fear of negative judgment, tests, or cultural differences. Anxiety, a very common word nowadays. And according to Horowitz and his colleagues, or her colleagues, students will withdraw in learning the language if there is too much anxiety. So that's the reason why it is very important to address both the academic performance and the English language anxiety of the grade 7 students. With that, I was able to formulate this conceptual framework wherein the independent variable will be the English language anxiety and the dependent variable will be the academic performance in English of the grade 7 students. Using this conceptual framework and IVDV, with that, I was able to formulate this statement of the problem. The primary concern of the study is to determine the influence of English language anxiety on academic performance of grade 7 students in English as basis for learning enrichment plan. Specifically, the following questions will be given answer. Number 1. How may the English language anxiety of the grade 7 students be described? Number 2. How may the academic performance of grade 7 students in English be described based on their report card? Number 3. Does English language anxiety significantly influence the academic performance of grade 7 students in English? And number 4. Based on the findings, what learning enhancement plan may be proposed? So the learning enhancement plan will be the solution that I will be proposing based on this problem that I have presented. With that, thank you so much for listening and have a good day.